In Newbird, users with special access can create and maintain roles. Abilities in users can be assigned to these roles, and in today's training session, we're looking at how to do that. From the Configurations cog here, navigate to System, Security and Roles like this. So here is where Newbird roles are maintained, and here's the list of existing roles. Scroll through to find a role, search here for one or search for a tag here. You can also sort columns using these little arrows. I'm going to create a new role, so I'll click here. I'm just going to call it something simple like this and save it. Here's my newly created role, and this is where I can modify it. I can add tags here, and I can edit and delete the role here. Most importantly is where I can attach system users. Search here for a user to add or attach multiple users at once. I'll add 2. And save. Now this new role has 2 users attached to it. Remove a user by clicking here. Now for this Abilities tab. Here are all of our Newbird's abilities. For our newly created role, we can assign any of these abilities to the role by clicking on this tick. Likewise, we can forbid any ability by clicking on this button. That's it for now, but we do have another tutorial on abilities maintenance if you want to check it out.